How to use the app of Kotak Securities. First give your user ID and password. Later click on login. You will be redirected to the access code page. Defaultly you will be receiving the access code. If you haven't received the access code, click on resend. You will be getting a pop-up of that you will be receiving the access code. Click the access code received to your mobile number and email ID. The access code will be sent to the mobile number and email ID, both to the registered mobile number and email ID only. Later you will be seeing a portfolio tracker if you have invested, or for first time users you can go through the more option. In from more, if you want to check your fund balance, please click on funds. You will be reflecting the fund balance. This is the available cash balance, and this is the limit which I have got against the shares which have been pledged. Click on fund transfer. If you want to transfer the from bank account to trading account, it will be defaultly reflected. If you want to transfer from trading account to bank account, just click between this like this. You can see trading to bank, bank to trading. Suppose I am going to bank to trading, it will be showing as a proceed. I will be giving the required amount of amount 5 rupees like that. Process. If I confirm, it will be debited from my savings account. Okay, right now I'm not confirming it. If I click on proceed, it will be confirmed and the amount will be reflected to my trading account. And in more, you can see account statement. The transaction statement, it will be reflected after 24 to 48 hours in the account statement. uh, if the DB charges like that, and for this is the charges which have been bought for the securities. And if you want to place order, you can click on directly here place order. It will be redirected to this page. Enter suppose Tata Elxsi. It will be showing like this: BNSE, BSE, both exchanges. Click on NSE if required, or BSE as per your wish. Here it will be showing, or you can change here also NSE or BSE. Now it's on BSE. There's a slight difference of price, not much. And if there is any research, you can see here over it, Tata Elxsi research. It's a our technical research call was given from Kotak Securities. The entry price was around 917 and the stop loss was 894. Now it's trading around 1588. The target is 960. It has been reached the target also. You can see the date which on which date it has been given, on 2nd 7 2020. If you want to buy directly, so you can go through buy. You can give the price whichever price you required, 1588 or 1520 or quantity of 100. If you just confirm normally, confirm, the order will be placed. Has the exchange is been closed, it will be showing like this. If you just confirm twice, and it will be showing a pop-up of good for day, order placed or not. You can see here, if I want to place order after market hours, AM order means after market order. Confirm. So acceptable quantity, if my margin is less, it's showing have placed order of 100 quantity. So but my margin is less, so the quantity sufficient with my margin is 38 only. So I can just change here or here, 38. Confirm. Order placed successfully. You can go directly to the order status. Okay, you can see here I have already placed Radio City around 5 quantity. It's also a aftermarket order. Tata Elxsi 38 shares. If you want to modify, you can modify over here. The price 1520 or 1523 quantity 35, AM order, good for day. Check for good for day. Good for day means you can take it as a delivery or BTST automatically. The leverages will be adjusted. If you go for super multiple, you will be getting high leverages. Confirm order has been successfully modified. In order status, you can check it over here. 15, 23, 35. Initially, it was 38. If I want to cancel, I can cancel it over it. Do you want to cancel? Yeah, okay. Order has been successfully cancelled. After the cancellation, you will be receiving a message also directly, and here will be status of cancel. CAN means cancelled, whereas AMO means aftermarket order. TRAD means traded. It has been traded. Okay. OPN means open. Means it has been open status. OPN. In dashboard, you can see the market, how much the market has been fall or gained. Is just 18 points negative, and census is around 110 points as per Friday sessions 27/11/2020 with the time also. You can see on the click on the charts, you can see if you want to go to the area or candles, you can zoom it out. If you want to add some functions, with this you can move the price whichever you are with the cursor, and you can add the indicators which are been required. Bollinger Band, Pavlov Bixar, exponential moving weighted averages, simple averages, indicators like VWAP, volume averages, something, whichever the indicators you have been interested in. I will be going with moving averages 12, 26, 9, save. And this is a portfolio tracker. You can see in how many industries we have been invested: auto, personal care, what are the petroleum shares, power, etc., hospitality, jewelry, all the sectors. And sector wise, you can click it. You can see the gain and losses, how much we have gained. On two shares of Bajaj Finance, I have gained around 5,800 amount. Only two Bajaj Finance shares. You can see I have clicked on petroleum, leather. These are the sectors which have been invested, something like that. And in positions, you can see today's position order. So this is the position order. When the market opens, I have been placed on an order of 5 shares already for the Radio City. It will be placed over here. And after the placing of the order, how much profit and loss I have been got out over here, and the cutoff time. Open positions means the positions which have been in open. Today's position is a position which have been purchased only for today. If I have been not sold it, it will be reflecting in sell from existing. Here you can see sell from existing Ashok Leyland 18 shares, end up with around a profit of 590 rupees, and the value is 1658. If I want to sell the position, I will be square off in the market order or something. 18 quantity or 10 quantity or 1 quantity is our wish. Confirm. If I confirm it over here, the order will be placed. Just for the example, exchange has been closed, so it will be. You can go through the AMO also if required. Confirm. AMO is only for the aftermarket order. When the market is closed, you can only use the AMO, or else simply confirm. And if you want to buy directly, you can see the search icon over any page. Search icon will be reflected at over any page. Order search. I will be searching for now some MRF share or Kotak. Kotak Mahindra Bank share has been just boomed up. It's on near all-time high, 1950. This is a price as on 27. Please notice that. Okay. If I want to buy it, I can directly buy candles. It's today's low and high, means it's on 27. It has made a low of 1846 and high of 1925. Zoom. A 52 week means around a 1 year performance, something like that. It's 1001 and 1948 is high. You can see the bid ask prices differences. EPS PE ratio. PE ratio is 63 as on 27th 11 2020, and profit after tax is around uh, 2,18,440 crores. You can see the bid ask quantity, how many total volume for the buy and total volume for the sell. If I want to buy market order or required price over 10 shares. If I select for super multiple, I have to, it will be giving a leverage of around 30 to 50 times super multiple option. Now I have to give a stop loss of 1900 around like that, 7 rupees of risk, or else simply 1895 price market order, and it's just for good for day. Check for that. Super multiple automatically is the stop loss will be given here, not required to give again new stop losses. If required, we can change. So market is closed, so it will be showing like that. I'm just giving in AM order only for aftermarket order, whereas super multiple at the, if you want of high leverages, you can select super multiple, or else directly confirm. You will be getting a mark leverage automatically directly, with no worry of the leverages. And you can see the future position. And I'll just show the how to calculate the margin calculator and what's the difference between the super multiple, normal order, etc. And buying 10 shares of Kotak at 19707, I will be giving as a round figure 1905 something, and the trigger price is around this. If normal order for 10 shares is 19,050 rupees, whereas in super multiple order you can required of a margin of only 1500 for 10 shares. Okay, you can see the difference in normal order and super multiple order. Okay, and the available cash balance is over here with my pledged shares and the cash balance available. Directly I can place a buy order. It will be taking super multiple, just give the trigger price of 1890 or 97 like that, and just confirm. Check the price, quantity, stop loss, and order type super multiple or good for day or AM order, and just confirm. The order will be placed automatically. And if you want to add to the watch list any shares, example, just click on here, the name, directly here from watch list. Have some watch list has been, the script is successfully added to the watch list. Kotak has been added to the watch list. If it is already there, it will be showing a pop-up like this. Skip already exists in the watch list. And cash, F&O, future commodities, etc. all will be available. It's forex market, commodity, and for F&O you can click just like this. F&O Kotak. I'm just looking for a future. If you want options, you can just see the what's the premium price available for the 1000 rupees call like that. 1020 put for the December expiry. Kotak future call for the December expiry. And if you want to pledge the margins, which you will be holding some stocks, if you want to pledge the margins when you're shortfall for the cash, you can click on the pledge margins. It will be redirecting within 10 seconds. Suppose I have Bajaj Electricals 1 share and Bajaj Finance 2 shares. The market price is around for two shares is I am getting a value of market value 9,800, and but the mar- margin after haircut means after the pledge value, what I will be getting is 7,363 rupees. Actual market value is this for two shares, but I will be getting a margin of 7,363. Like this, if I click on proceed pledge, you will be receiving a mail from the NSDL, mail and message. After clicking on that, you can just log in and pledge your shares. You can just here click on the margin calculator. Suppose if I want to buy SBI shares or SBI life insurance shares, for example, I want to buy 1,000 of SBI life insurance shares. What's the margin required for your example? Get of guess. For a normal order, it's around 1,69,210 rupees, whereas for super multiple, it's only 67,682 margin amount required to trade. Whereas for margin trading, it's around 2 lakhs, around 3 lakhs plus. You can go through the research and newses which have been recommended by Kotak research team. Fundamental calls, technical calls, derivative calls. It's your interest. Research or news. You'll be getting all the newses of the companies which have been in news recently. See, Hero Motors Limited has been informed exchange about their loss of share. You can just go click on this. You can get the research of the newses also. One platform, all the things have been available. The Hero Motors has been initiated some information to the exchanges. You can see the PDF also. What's the information been informed to the exchanges? Like this, if you want to see the top news, you can just RSS feed. In this, you can see Business Line, Business Standard, Live Mint, Times of India newses, whichever website you have been required. European share slip at the end of the China stock fall, but gain 5% in November. Burger King grey market premium is surged to over the 40% premium. Everything is surged at 56%. Every news is been available. If you want to check the market position, you can just click on here. The market positions will be reflected and the notifications you have been got, the notifications, etc. Kotak platform never hangover. If it got hang also, we can call the dealer. The respective dealers will be allotted to you. There will be no problem of placing order uh, in Kotak. We are safe in the hands. The platform will be very safe, very friendly user. If you get understand of the app, it will be very easy to you understand it. And this is a small case. You can go to the mutual fund section and apply for the mutual funds. If you want to apply for the IPOs, bonds, offers, just click on the alternative investments, IPO bond section. If any IPO is been in open, it will be showing over here. So further now there is no IPO been listed, so there is no record been available. If any IPO is available in open issue, it will be reflected over here. IPO bonds, anything, sovereign gold bonds, all can be applied from one demat account. And you can change the settings, change password if you are required of, change password. If you want to set a nickname, you can nickname. Dashboard preference, how do you want to your dashboard to be available? So thank you for time. Don't forget to rate us.